Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, Justin, it was kind of a gloomy day outside, but hopefully many were able to find some sort of fun in the midst of all of it.
Hopefully most of that fun was indoors, Nicole.
Yeah.
We had kind of a little bit of a rainy go. It wasn't too bad today, just a few spotty showers in and out. Still have some droplets on the camera over MSU and Lansing. That's because in some spots right now, East Lansing that is, over MSU, we still do have a very light drizzle that is falling in some locations out there. Not amounting to anything, but you do see where a lot of that drizzle is this evening because we have a few patchy lower visibilities around mid-Michigan. Places with the higher visibility, not really seeing this, it's just cloudy, but most of the places such as Jackson, which only have visibility around 2 miles, Howell, Mason at 4 miles, and Charlotte at 5. Those are areas we're seeing some more of that drizzle out there this evening. Now the satellite and radar shows again not really much activity going on, much of it beyond and behind me now, but we do still have a few areas of some very light patchy drizzle, as I mentioned, not really causing any issues. Temperature change getting a little bit closer to normal. The front continues to pass through. We've got 4-degree difference in Lansing, 8 in Jackson. So temps a little bit colder than they were this time yesterday, where we still had some folks who were near 50 degrees this late into the evening. Right now, temps still sitting in the lower 40s, 41 for St. John's and in Lansing, 43 in Jackson, as well as Marshall, also 42 in Charlotte and in Mason this evening. The wind has already shifted. It's coming out of the north-northwest in most locations. It's anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour, not very strong this evening, but it is still providing a very slight wind chill. Couple that with some of the folks who are seeing the drizzle. Certainly not very pleasant out there, but really not much of a need to be outside on this Saturday evening. Now the larger scale showing the wide view in the satellite and radar shows that this area extending almost up towards Hudson Bay, the front that's bringing these light showers through the area, a little bit more rain and even some snow up into central Ontario, more north of us in Canada above Lake Huron. But we've got clear conditions off to the west. So in future track, you see here, cloud cover carries on through this evening, a few areas of that patchy drizzle, but as we head especially into tomorrow morning, some of us even underneath the sunshine early on in the day. A few of us will be underneath the clouds until we get towards the afternoon, but then all these clouds you see here start to push out of the way, and we have a mostly sunny end to the weekend. Something certainly to look forward to tomorrow. Now, for tonight, we'll decrease the clouds as we go throughout the overnight period. That'll allow us to cool down in a big way, though. Winds, again, have already shifted in most places out of the north-northwest, and that'll allow us to get down around 31 degrees. So we get just below the freezing mark. We start off our day on a little bit of a chilly note. We do eventually get up into those lower 50s, and by the afternoon, underneath a lot more of the sunshine out there. So certainly a fairly nice wrap up to the weekend. Not too bad temperature wise. It'll be very close to normal. We'll be right at 54 degrees, mainly sunny skies late in the day. Again, just a few clouds early in the day. Unfortunately, we are going to be dealing with some cooler temperatures in the long range outlook. Below average temps. I'm sure there are a few folks out there who are actually looking forward to some cooler temps who maybe didn't get as much of a winter as they wanted. I, for one, am not one of them. I'm looking forward to the warmer air making its way in, so I will enjoy the next couple of days here as we end up getting up to the mid-60s by Tuesday. We have some scattered showers and storms, mostly sunny for Wednesday. Not too bad a day there in the 60s. But then, Nicole, as we've been talking about all the last couple of days here, temperatures really falling off a cliff. By the end of next week, we're only in the 40s for our high temperatures.